guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Faith Kaimba, a professional home organizer. My content relates to home organization, just making your home looking orderly and not messy, to give you a relaxed mind and peace. So if you consider this as of interest to you, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you're notified anytime, every time we upload a new video.
Be strong.
And for today, guys, I have an interesting topic for you. I know many of you have been wondering and worried and not knowing what to do. So I'm going to take you through a demonstration of how to fold a fitted sheet. No more crumpling sheets, no more doing this, no more. Pick your sheet, guys, and let's get started. This is my fitted sheet for today. It fits a 5x6 bed. And first things first, make sure you have the long side on your hands and stretch it out like that. It doesn't have to go like straight. It can be like that, but at least make sure you have each end on your hands. So, on one end, I have my right hand, and on the other end, I have my left hand. Please don't forget that the inside part of the sheet should be facing away from you. So let's get going. Take your right hand and place it on top of the left, yeah, and then straighten it out like that so that both ends are together and your hand is on both of them. Yeah, these are the two corners of my sheet. I have it like that, and now this hand I place there. I move and place it on your right hand, then stretch out your left hand to look for the other two ends on the left side. Ensure that you have two sides on your left hand like that, and try and stretch it out just in case it's not straight somewhere. So as you can see, now I can even stretch it straight on both of my hands. So the next thing is to place the two right sides on my right hand onto my left hand. So let's move together. So put them like that. The secret is to touch the corners so that you do not release it. So now I have the four edges or corners of my sheet on my left hand like that. And the next thing is to straighten it out. This is the kind of thing I have. Looks like a flat sheet and it's not, yeah? And move again to your right side and straighten out the other side. So this is the kind of thing you should have. And on this instance, ensure that you have a flat surface near you. If you have a flat surface, kindly consider placing it. In this case, I have a bed. That's what I'm going to use. And I'll place my sheet on it so that I straighten it out on all sides. And at this point, think about your storage space. Where are you going to place it? Where is the home for this kind of sheets that you have? So if you know that, then you know what size to fold into. So I'm going to show you two types. How to fold into a drawer and how to fold into a shelf. I'll start with the shelf. Do a third of the sheet like that and straighten it out. And do the other third. ensure that it overlaps here like that, and straighten it out again. So this side overlaps on the bottom side, and then turn it out. Once you turn it, so this time I'm showing you how to put it into a shelf, and I'll do another third, yeah, and another one. So the point is to ensure that when you're placing it on a shelf, the sheet is not bulky here, yeah. And like when you're putting it into a drawer, you cannot put this big size into a drawer. So guys, if you want to fold a size for a drawer, since this is for a shelf, you can, at this step, immediately, you can just fold this into two. So if you fold this into two, what it does is that it makes it smaller. So if the depth of your drawer is this size, this small, yeah, then you can achieve. But if it's not, then I'm going to show you another way of achieving a different size for the drawer. So as you can see, this is much fuller, unlike the one for the shelf, which was smaller, meaning that you can stack others above it. But for the drawer, you put others beside, or probably along that line. That's why it's called the file folding method. So if you have a drawer where you put your sheets, then this is how you do it. Try and fold this and leave a little bit of space, like up to here, because this part is a bit full. It does not be bulky, yeah. So take your sheet and fold again there. This is for a drawer, don't forget. And then take this part and fold it there, yeah. And from there now you can do the last fold like that. So in my case, this is how I do it, and this is my fitted sheet. Look at this, guys. Yeah, isn't it lovely? This is a fitted sheet, not a flat sheet. So I'm going to show you where I place it, and this is how I do it. Come with me. So guys, make sure that this space here, from here to here, yeah, is the size, is the depth, like how deep your drawer is, so that your sheet is not left, like when you're closing the drawer, is not left up. So this is where I place my sheets, and yeah, there I go. So if I need to use my sheet, I just do what? Pick it up, and the others do not fall, and it's ready for use. So guys, this marks the end of our video. Now I hope you have loved this video. If you've done so, I hope it has also inspired you and you've learned something today. Please consider giving a thumbs up if you loved it. Share it out. Also comment down below in case you have something that maybe you'd want me to demonstrate. I will be able to do it. Just request and just comment down below. I'll pick it up from there. So thank you so much for sparing your time and being able to watch. Until next time, it's a bye-bye.